All right. Hey, everybody. It's Jeff Lobb here, SparkTank Media, and I am with a dear friend of ours, Molly McKinley from Relola.
Hi, guys.
How are you? So Molly and I were just literally having a conversational chat, talking about holidays, and I'm like, why don't we give something cool away? Like, it's time to give back some stuff. And she's like, Relola can do that. We can give something back. So we want to give away, or she wants to give away. What do you want to give away? What do you want to do? I like something really techie.
Yes, of course. Let's do an Apple Watch.
Apple Watch. All right, so who wants an Apple Watch? I can't see your hands, but
I do.
I can always use another one for sure.
Got one right here.
All right, so Relola is going to give away an Apple Watch. So we're going to have a little fun contest. We came up with this cool idea, and we'll show you how to do it. It's the simplest thing ever. So, ever. But, hey, let's get into it, and let's show you how to do it. So I guess I'll show you on my iPhone. Is that the easiest way?
Yeah, I love watching you do this for once. I'm not the one having to do it.
Dear, we're going to play with technology and see how this is all going to work, but I'm going to try and mirror my phone. You never know when you go live how that's going to flow. But you let me know when you can. Let's see. I'm going to screen share in a second. Share my desktop. All right. So you should be able to see.
I see it.
iPhone. Oof, that's pretty large there. All right. You can see it.
Yep, absolutely.
It's over there. I'm going to move us to the middle a little bit more. All right, so let's go through this. So first of all, Relola has an app, right?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to move us over. We're right over.
Yeah, and actually, Jeff, we just announced, too, that it's free for everybody. So this isn't even a paid app. This is something that absolutely people can use for free today.
All right, so you're not asking anybody to spend a dime. It's a free app. It's free for everybody. Download the Relola app on your phone. It's good for Android, iPhone, everybody, right?
Absolutely.
My bottom left-hand corner is my Relola app. So, all right, so it's free for the world here. So I'm going to open my app, right? And we're going to walk through what we need to do to get into this contest for the free Apple Watch giveaway.
And for folks who have not downloaded yet, it's a very simple download process. Just sync with your Facebook and you're off to the races.
Yeah, I synced it with Facebook. I logged in with Facebook and it said, here I am. So what am I going to do? So let's walk through it a little bit. So here it's showing my geolocation. So it's showing I'm in my office today.
Yep.
What should I do? What are we calling what are these pins we're talking about now?
Yeah, we're calling like dropping a pin or sharing an insight. And as part of this competition, for an Apple Watch, let's say the person, whoever has the most insights or dropping the most pins. And so you do that by in that right-hand corner, there's that blue plus sign.
Yep.
So press that. We're going to let's just show what a neighborhood place looks like. So drop the neighborhood place, click on that button.
Got it.
Excellent. And that should geolocate where you are right now in your office, correct?
That's right. Yeah, it's got my office address highlighted. Yep.
Okay, excellent. So click on that.
Okay.
All righty, here we go. You're off to the races. Add a pin.
I'm going to add a pin. That is my address. Add a pin.
Super easy.
Oh, look at me. There's my office.
Okay, so you've got a couple of choices right here. You can just go on and write an insight, or if you wanted to add either extra photos or a video,
yep.
You can click on that little phone with the plus on it, or the insights, either way. Just share what you want to say.
Best damn coaching company. Oops. Did you see what I just typed? Coaching company. Spell it properly. When you're live.
that was awesome, Jeff.
Coaching company in the world.
Yes, it is. Love it.
All right. Review. Boom. I hit review.
It. There you go. Again, so here you go. You can add photos or video at this stage too with that little icon with the camera with the plus sign.
Yep.
And then you submit it and you're done.
All right, so that just dropped the pin, which is now called an insight in your world. That's an insight.
Yes, it is. And now, so that is a pin on your very own Relola map that you can use then to showcase all of the things that you know about your community. And some of the things like that matter to your prospects are things like, what is it like to live there? So coffee shops, dog parks, highways, schools, all of that stuff that agents talk about while they're on the road, right?
Okay, so one pin that I dropped gets me into the contest. That's all I had to do to get qualified in there. But so I always ask the question, like, okay, so why am I dropping pins? I'm dropping pins to add data resources.
Yeah, to show everything that you know about your town. And what's amazing about that is it's like the data is saying like prospects, the most important thing to them is local expertise. And what ends up happening is that means blogging for folks, right? And content creation is really, really hard. But we're solving that for you with this easy sort of pin dropping digestible bits of content that you can do when you're in the carpool line, when you're in, waiting for coffee, and all of these little moments that creates this map of all of the things that you know. And so
now, while I'm here also, I just noticed the red pins, and they should know that the red pins are real estate, right?
They are, yes. And those are properties on the market or recently on the market. And if you have something to share about that, you can absolutely do that. Sort of a best practice in my perspective on this is that it provides context for what it's like to, I'm getting like the sun in my eyes here from my those properties sort of like showcase like how, like the types of homes that it would be that you could expect to live in that neighborhood.
Cool.
So it doesn't have to just be an active listing, but it's really more about the types of homes that exist there.
And I could type in a search, like if I wanted to find my high school or something like that.
100%. Absolutely. It's geolocated. You don't have to be there. And you can do all of these things that you know and love about your community right there by just searching, and they'll pop up.
Gotcha. So I could just do a search.
Yep.
Kittatinny High School, Newton, New Jersey.
Yep. And we're tying into Google Maps. So if it's on Google Maps, then it'll be accessible to us. Is it coming up?
I just typed in Kittatinny.
Okay.
Kittatinny Regional High School. Yeah,
there it is.
For time purposes.
Perfect.
Yeah. So then I would
just drop a pin on that.
Yep. So I would drop a pin, and then I could just keep going, and then add content about that.
Absolutely. About all of the things about that school or whatever it is that you know.
That's pretty cool.
And, really the sky is the limit in terms of the types of pins that you would want to have if you travel to places, but for the sake of this competition, I want to see how many pins people will actually drop.
Yeah, it's pretty slick. I'm looking at the search criteria. It's great. So, all right. So the fun is just for a cool giveaway for holiday is download the app. It's free, costs you nothing. Go in there and drop. As long as you drop one pin, you're in the contest. That's called an insight.
Yes.
The more people who drop pins, when's the contest going to run till? From like today till when?
Let's say December 31st.
December 31st.
Yep.
Most pins.
Midnight. Let's say midnight Eastern time.
Midnight Eastern time, the 31st. Most pins.
Yes.
Drop
the most pins. And if we have a tie, then we'll randomize the tiebreaker for a tiebreaker.
But wait a minute, can we, I'm always a big fan of like, all right, there's a winner, but what if I was only like 2 away? I kind of worked my butt off. Any chance we can get like a second place extra watch, like a bonus watch?
Jeff, for you, yes, absolutely. Let's do 2. Let's do the first person and then the second person.
2 watches.
The highest number of pins. I mean, let's see if we can get people to drop 100 pins.
All right. So free pins and then content that's able to be shared. There goes my phone. It's timing out on me. But that being said, easy to do, fun, and holiday time. It's a good giveaway from Molly at Relola. So I say we kind of kick that baby up a notch and have some fun with that. And I think you'll start to see how content's able to share, and it's easy to aggregate. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, and then we can walk. And then if people want to have this content show up on their WordPress site or on their Facebook business page, we can actually walk through all of that so that this work that they're doing can populate the content on those places. So we're really trying to solve that content challenge for folks.
Got it. Okay, well, awesome. Thank you for a great idea and contest and some fun around the holidays. I'm going to look forward to who's the number 1 and 2. Maybe we'll have to come back and announce them, who they are.
Maybe you and I should, maybe we should be doing it.
Like I see winner number 1, winner number 2.
No, I don't like, we can't be us. We need to be somebody else.
It's really too easy to do, but it's a fun thing. Look, it'll be a great gift. It's fun and it costs you nothing. So.
I know, right? So it's so good. Jeff, you're the best. Super fun.
Yeah, thank you so much for just having some fun with it. And it's that time of year. So happy holidays, everybody, from SparkTank, from Relola. And we're going to be out. We'll catch you soon. Towards the end to get results, we'll announce them. We'll say hello and probably do it on live.
Yeah, let's do that. That'd be awesome.
Awesome. Great. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
See ya.